Alright guys, as you can see, I have the rear trim off. That William wants to be painted white. I think that's gonna look pretty good. So, this was right here. So this is gonna get it painted white. Not sure if that's getting painted black. Wow, I didn't even realize that. I think this must have been, yeah, this is the bottom one. And it's covered in yellow paint. So they didn't take this off to paint the car. Which shows how lazy they are, because it took me maybe 5 minutes to take all the nuts off, because these are just held on there. They're threaded and they go in those holes and there's a nut on the back. It took me maybe 5 minutes to take them all off. Wow. These people really did not care. It's a shame. It's a really nice color, just I wish the people that did it, you know, weren't lazy, you know what. So, yeah. That's, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there you go. Anyways, guys, later. Just a quick little video. In the earlier one, you saw that I had the rear off. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the chin spoiler, or whatever you want to call it, chin spoiler is what I'm going to call it, is getting painted the same white. So I have all the screws right here. I'm going to throw those in a bin, not a bin, but in a little bucket, keep it safe. And that's going to get somewhere to get painted white. So just a quick little update here. Later.